Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is day 17 of our Bitsgap follow along, and we're going to jump right in. So as you all know, there is a panic and fear spread across the market. Bitcoin dipped down, and I think it's down to 42 is what we saw it at before it bounced right back up. We're down at 49,000 right now, and so there's been a ton of fear, tons of red. However, we're going to just jump in here and start looking. And I think that you're going to be pleased to see that our SumBot profit is 37.21. As of yesterday's video, we were at 36.11, and our ROI was 28.93 yesterday, and today it's 28.96. So with that being said, we've made $110 today. So if you've been following along over the past week, we've been super slow, and volatility today has been our friend thanks to the trailing down functions. So let's start here at the top. Jasmy, we are right on the cusp of $1,000. So we are at $997 today in profit, 80.92% for a total of 1.53% a day for the last 1 month and 22 days. So we're nearing 2 months. And it's almost done. It's almost done the $1,000 in profit. So very, very exciting there, and I'm very, very happy with these results. Not at the 2% a day mark that we really want to be at, but let's look at this chart here, and that really kind of paints the picture of what this bot can do. So here we are. We started here, kind of rode it up. Look at this. We rode it way up high here, and then obviously this is a way zoomed out view, but we've been doing this for 17 days, so we came all the way down here, bounced back up right here. Binance listed Jasmy JSMY, and then boom. Then we came all the way up, down, and yesterday we came all the way down, and we made money on the way down, and we're still making money on the way down. I have a feeling that Bitcoin might retrace, and I believe that is very likely before bouncing back up. So I'm happy with these results. I'm happy with the volatility because we're making money on the way down. Obviously, other portfolios are seeing red, but we're just strictly talking about Bitsgap performance here, and this has been very good. Elon's still at number 2 at 76.96%, just under that 2% mark. Shiba has actually it's gone up to 37.04% for 1 month and 22 days, and it's just under 1%. Our Avalanche is still down in range, so I expected to see a lot more in range than we have, but we're just we're doing okay. Our Luna is that is pumping. So we're at 1.22% for 1 month and 14 days. It is at a 54%. Let's look at this chart. It's at 54.79. And what's cool to see, this is another good one to watch. I mean, look at this. So this is the view when we zoom out. Let's move the chart over. Look at this. We bought it here. Yeah, bought it here. It came down. Look at these. I mean, these are just crazy bounces. Then we came all the way down here, traded sideways for a bit, and then boom, rode this baby to the top. And then look at this. I mean, just performing super well. I think it's the first time that Luna has hit the top 10. And I think it even flipped Doge and Avalanche today. So very, very happy with those results. This is a perfect time to be running this 3L. And then obviously we trail up and down on this. So very, very good results there. Net NTVRK is at 17% for 17 days. So look at that, spot on to the 1% a day. Not at our 2% goal, but we'll take it. And then we've got XYO. XYO has been a steady performer, 1.84% for 1 month and 11 days, 77% in total. And if you look, I mean, this thing is still green, even through this correction that we're seeing. Bond is still down. That's okay. Doge 3L down 45%. And when I say down, these are the price action. In profit, we're still. Let's look at the reds. Okay, I'm gonna go by change real quick, and let's do that just for something to do something a little different. So our deep performer here, down 48%. We're still 29% in profit after 17 days. This one is down 45%. We're still 43% in profit after 1 month and 20 days. This one is down 27%, and we are still in profit by 4%. And after 19 days. Now these scalpers, we'll come back and talk about those. Let's just go over this red real quick. 22%. We're still up 18%, 18.97%. BTC3L down 10%. We're still up 5%, 5.87%. Down 8%. We're still at 43.86%. So you get the drift. I'm not actually going to bore everybody and go through these. The point that I'm trying to make here is that there is an important factor in using the trailing up and trailing down. And that works for volatility. Volatility becomes our friend when we trail up and trail down. So some people only like the risk factor of trailing up only. And, that's good. That's good if that's your risk threshold. I rather be able to take advantage of the volatility the way we're doing it, even if it means a little less profit for the bullish uptrend. I think that this really works out well. And obviously, in comparison to the days this week where we've seen $24 and $40, and I can't even think of it, just under $100, today we're at $110 in profit. So very, very good there. Now let's talk about the contest that is going on here for the scalper bots, 39730. So this has not gone up since yesterday. Nobody new joined the contest. I wouldn't expect them to during a bloody market like we saw. And our position hasn't changed. So we are at 329 of 2973. There are 10 days left, 20 hours and 13 minutes. And we're going to hold out. We're going to see what we can do and pull in some of that profit. Let's look at our CRO actually. Through this action that we saw last night. Let's look at our CRO scalper. Our CRO scalper is out of funds because the dip that it saw here. But look at this chart. It's actually coming back up here. Look at this. I mean, that is just absolute. So in this range that you see here, there have been 46,161 trades, which yesterday it was at 45,837. So that is just insane, and we're at $62 profit. Now, if you've just if this is your first video watching, the only reason that we're running these is for the scalper bot contest to generate yield, and we're trying to pull in the some of this prize pool money that they've put together here. Obviously, I think that our capital could probably be used a little bit better in other pairs. But at the sake of running this contest and doing a follow along, this is all for us to learn and see what we can do. So overall, really rough day. You saw a lot of panic if you crypto Twitter and Facebook and Telegram, Discord, everywhere. A lot of people panicking. A lot of crazy, just crazy stories out there. People getting liquidated. All sorts of things. But either way, we're doing okay. And $110 in the last 24 hours of profit for an automated bot, I'll take it, right? Any questions, comments, anything that you have, leave those below. And we'll see you tomorrow. Hit that subscribe button if you already haven't. Thanks.